Friends, in this video tutorial, I will show how to disable automatic update permanently on Windows 11. So let's start. At first, I go to the Windows Update check options from the Windows search box. After this, click Check for Update, and you can see the Windows Update status. My Windows is up to date. Let's see, how can we disable our Windows 11 auto update permanently? Go to the Run command and type services.msc and press Enter. Click Standard Service Options. Now, go to the Windows Update options. In this Update Properties option, the startup type will be Automatic to disable. After this, click Stop, Apply, and OK. Here we can see that the startup status is disabled for update. Again, go to the Windows Update Properties, click on Recovery. Now change First Failure Restart the service from Take No Action, click Apply and OK. Step 1 is done. Now step 2. Type gpedit.msc from the Windows search box. Click gpedit.msc options. Click the administrative template from the computer configuration. Expand the Windows component folder. Go to the Windows Update folder. Click Manage End User Experience Options. Click Standard. Now, go to the Edit options from Configure Automatic Update. Select Enable, Notify for download and auto-install. After this, click Apply and OK. Now, restart your computer, and your Windows 11 update is disabled permanently. Friends, please subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button for new and updated technology-related video tutorials.